Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 40, B is 80, C is 100 and D is 400. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. They can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic. And the rule says we have two rules here. We will discuss BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, we have multiple rules, but here we will discuss two rules: BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. And these rules says if your expression contains any bracket and parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the order and exponent. So if your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part in step 2. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. So what we will do? We will go left to right in our expression and find out addition and subtraction. So now let's move towards to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the bracket. So first of all, we have to solve this bracket, which is first bracket 8 divided by 2. So we will solve this part. 8 divided by 2 means 4. And multiply 7 plus 3 raised to power 2. We will write as it is. Okay. Now move forward. We will give the reference here 8 divided by equals to 4. And this one, right? This. Okay. Now move forward to solve the step number. Same step because we have to solve all brackets. So here we have another bracket which is 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. And again outside we have the power 2. So we will write power 2 for this. And we will give the reference here 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Now we have solved bracket and now we have the step number 2 which is exponent part. So in our expression, first of all, we have this 10 raised to power 2. So we will solve this one. 10 multiplied by 10 which is equals to 100. And again we will give the reference here 10 raised to power 2 equals to 100. So this one becomes power 2. Okay. Now move forward. We have here two terms which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 400. So answer of the given expression is 400. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So this is the correct way to solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.